Hi friends, let me show you this tripod that I bought. We film a lot of videos, we have YouTube channels, we work with the Amazon Influencer program, and we need a lot of accessories to film. So we need a tripod. This is really nice. As you can see, it's just 1/4 of a turn and it will hold the legs. You don't have to do 20 times this round part. So just really easy, just like that. Then you can expand it. As you can see, really high. Okay, it extends almost 5.5 feet, so that's really convenient. Then you get this phone holder. As you can see, it has a standard mounting screw here. Okay, you can of course move it around as you need it. Really easy to put your phone just like that, and you can use it horizontally or vertically or even in an angle like this. Okay, also it's really useful because it has a call to here, so you can put any accessory, a flashlight, a microphone like this Rode one. So you are ready to work really easy, and while you are filming, if you need to change the direction, you can just turn it like this, so you don't have to turn all the tripod. Okay, so it has different features that I like. I think it's nice. The long legs will give it a lot of stability, and it's great if you need something like this to film for a family picture session, if you work like us as YouTubers, or for any filming or picture taking activity. Thank you.